It takes 15 feet of fabric to make 6 quilts. How many quilts can be made with 15 yards of fabric? So this one's kind of tricky. We're going to start by writing this ratio. 54 feet for 6 quilts. Their question, though, is about 15 yards, which is different than from feet. So something that we're going to need to do is we're going to need to convert the 54 feet into yards. We know that there are 3 feet in a yard, so we're going to divide 54 divided by 3. 3 goes into 5 1 times. 3 times 1 is 5. Subtract, you get a 2. Bring down the 4. 3 goes into 24 8 times. 3 times 8 is 24, and that's exact. So this is actually 18 yards for 6 quilts. They want to know then how many are going to be needed with 15 yards. Or how many quilts will be made with 15 yards. Well, there's nothing I can do simply to get from 18 to 15, but I can simplify this, and I'm going to divide out 6. 18 divided by 6 is going to be 3 yards. 6 divided by 6 is 1 quilt. So 3 yards for 1 quilt. They want to know how many quilts can we make with 15 yards. So I'm going to think, what do I do for 3 yards to get to 15? And that's times 5 times 5. So I can make 5 quilts. 5 quilts can be made.